Alright everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today we're building a new gantry, and I wanted to show you guys before this part was up 10 feet in the air and you couldn't see it, how I did my winch. This is some scrap plates I had laying around. This is actually, I made this into a transmission jack adapter and then I cut more pieces off of it. But this is like a $70 ATV winch from eBay or Amazon. I don't know, there'll be a link below. I'll figure out where I bought it. The width, I mean the construction of the gantry itself is pretty straightforward. 4x4s, lag bolts, 2x6s, bracing. The width of these plus the 4x4 actually lined up with the mounting holes more or less. So I just plated the sides, and I'll come through and I'll cut another piece here to fit in there. Welded up. The fair lead for the winch cable I trimmed back so that it can drop straight down through there, and that'll be the whole thing. I have to extend the cables, but I'll show you that when it's on the ground. So I'll bring you guys back when it's upright and we'll see some more of this. Alright, so I kind of got excited to get my cab on my frame here and forgot to show you guys the rest. This little, it's more like a hoist control. It's even got a picture of a hoist on it, but the wires weren't long enough, nearly long enough. I think this is 8 gauge. Yeah, it's 8 gauge. So I just spliced 8 gauge into it. Brought it down here. This is a Marv battery, so Marv, healed thyself. Yeah, I just these clips are just clipping it on here. If I ever really want to, I'll set this up with like a battery and a battery box and a little solar charger. But for today, it did awesome. It totally I must unhook that. Anyway, it totally lifted this cab up. I'll put some footage in that I have for an actual Marv video so you guys can see. The brake on that's a little sketchy. It didn't really want to hold a 1,200-pound cab up, so I mean it kind of did. You had to find the right spot, and it was a little weird. I don't know if I would do that again. Lifted it really super easy though, so that was nice. But yeah, there you go, homemade gantry. A couple 4x4s. I mean, I'm really into this. Even if I had to buy everything, I could have done this for less than 250 bucks. So like, I know there'll be a lot of jokes about the cost of lumber, but it was fine. So I might build one of these out of steel one day. We'll see. It's pretty handy. The reason I built one this nice is so I can pick stuff up out of the back of my truck and off my trailer when I want to, and just pull through. But yeah, that's it. Short, simple, to the point. Thanks for watching. See you next time.